Welcome back to Max's Garage Mahal. We have received a blind hole puller from AutoSuperMarket stores on eBay, and they were good enough to replace the original. And we're going to open it up real quickly. I mean real quick. I need to get this over with because y'all don't want to sit here and listen to me all day long. Alright, there's the box being opened. As you can see, hasn't been opened at all until just now. In fact, they even cut through the plastic container. Gotta love unboxings. Alright. And the problem before was that, alright, let me pan or tilt you down here rather. Problem before was that the puller rod wouldn't screw into in deep enough that it wouldn't pull the threads. And first time I tried to use it, it pulled the threads and basically ruined this part here. Alright, that's one. Now I'm going to speed this up, but I'm going to show you as I go, including for AutoSuperMarket stores, so they can see that the product is working. So I'm going to speed this up. Uh-oh. Okay, so only one of these wouldn't screw in, and I'd take a chance on that if I can find. I ruined 3 on this size here on the first one. I ruined 3 taps trying to tap that to make it usable. That didn't work out. So anyway, just for your edification there, out on eBay land and Facebook and YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and give this AutoSuperMarket store on eBay, and as you can see, he sells these pullers, all kinds of tools and parts for automobiles and motorcycles. So go by and check him out. Really nice guy. I appreciate you. Thank you for taking care of me, and I'm going to give you 2 thumbs up. Thank you very kindly. And as we always say at Max's Garage Mahal, y'all come back and see us now, you hear?